Hey, I'm Dr. Danny Park at the Chiro Park. Here's why chiropractic adjustment is the #1 solution for your low back pain. Take a look at this. By this time, we've already identified the cause of your low back pain by doing numerous exams, including x-rays. Now, the cause of your low back pain being in your low back spine called lumbar spine, as a trained chiropractor, we'll be using different techniques depending on patient's needs to work towards to correct the root cause, which is again called subluxation. Now, let's get adjusted. Now we're at the adjustment alley, and here we have our patient already laid down, getting ready for adjustment. I'll be going over 3 different types of techniques to assist our patient to relieve low back pain. First, let's talk about instruments. In our office, we use our technique called activator, and this is going to provide the gentle force into the specific area that's being misaligned to start being corrected. And here is what it looked like. Very gentle. We use this for geriatric patients and pediatric patients as well. This is first technique. Second technique is called drop table, Thompson technique. So this table, it is for chiropractic adjustments, and here's how we apply the force using the drop table. For her case, it's going to be on the left SI joint, sacroiliac joint. This sounds may scary, but patient, it doesn't hurt her. Now, last one is manual adjustment. If I can have you lay on right side down, left side up, face me this way. Now, after we position our patient, we will give a direction. For example, take deep breath in and breathe out so the patient can be relaxed, trusting our doctor to apply the specific adjustment on the left side. Now, take deep breath in and breathe out. This is how corrective chiropractic adjustment is assisting our patient to relieve low back pain. This is why chiropractic adjustment is #1 solution for your low back pain. This was Dr. Danny Park. I'll see you next video.